Hey there, superstars. Are you ready to dive into the world of English and become a language champion? I've got something just for you. It's the English Language Foundation course, designed especially for Class 4 students who want to shine in Olympiads and beyond. So, what's inside? First, we start with the basics. You'll find out what nouns and verbs really are, how to match up your subjects and verbs, and even where to put those sneaky punctuation marks. Each step is laid out in a way that's easy to understand, and trust me, it's never boring. Once you've got the basics down, we'll level up. You'll learn how to use words the right way, avoid those tricky mistakes, and start writing like a pro. Want to create awesome stories, friendly letters, or cool reports? I'll show you how to plan and write them step by step. And guess what? There are fun exercises after every lesson so you can practice what you learn. And see just how much you've improved. Made a mistake? No worries. There's an answer key at the end so you can check your work and learn from it. This course is all about mixing learning with fun, so you'll never feel lost or bored. By the end, you'll be ready to tackle English Olympiads and wow everyone with your skills. So, are you ready to open the book, try out the exercises, and become an English superstar? Let's get started together.